more focusing on AI practices, whether it's a few implementation or it's a system. And by the way, before you start, Amal, there's an important misconception around AI and the applications of AI. So AI, artificial intelligence, definitely it's an instrument. It's not an application by itself. So if we think about the use of AI, we need to define what is that. So there's supposed to be educational applications powered by AI, because AI, it's a huge domain where it has a lot of applications under it. And what I didn't see until now is specific applications for supporting special education, for supporting social emotional learning and this. So if anyone in the attendees, starting with Amal, do you know any of applications that can support counselors, in addition to what Noor mentioned? Yes, Amal, over to you. From your point of view,
Uh,
what practices
Yes,
you
Mr.
have?
Hatem. First, regarding the difference between AI and the technological websites, if we can say, there is a big difference between using or integrating technology and integrating artificial intelligence. So, basically, when teachers are, let's suppose, using Nearpod, or they are using Magic School, they are using, let's say, Mentimeter, Google Forms, those are technological learning applications maybe that help us to know the students, to observe the students, to know their answers. But how can the teacher integrate artificial intelligence based on the results of the websites or the applications used? um,
Mhm.
Artificial intelligence at this point helps the teacher to analyze, to generate strategies, generate personalized trainings for those students, or personalized interventions for those students. I want to give an example uh, of a girl who approached me last week. She came to the well-being department saying, "Mrs. Amal, I tried everything." She has anxiety issue. She said, "I searched ChatGPT to provide me with the strategies how to deal with my anxiety issue, and I tried to apply them, but unfortunately, I reached nowhere. So can you help me?" From her question, it deeply impacted me, because I've noticed that AI can't replace us as a human being, can't replace the heart of the educator, of the psychologist, of the counselor, because students and everyone has access, have access to AI nowadays. But AI can't replace us as a people, because we are the heart of the intervention, the heart of the change. So I usually say that artificial intelligence isn't just a window which allows students to explore other perspectives and know about strategies. It's also considered as a mirror that helps the students to see their emotions, but can't give an like automatic intervention that helps this student. Here is our role as educators, to use AI as a reference, in order, first of all, to facilitate our work, to save time, to provide several strategies, but we have to put our own touch in enhancing the emotional well-being of both students and staff members. Okay.
Excellent addition, Amal. Just go ahead.
Yes, I want also to say, from a leadership perspective, I've read the last week a research by OECD, Organization for
Yeah.
Economic Cooperation and Development, in 2023. They highlighted that schools embedding social emotional learning alongside with digital literacy showed better problem solving skills, they showed better collaboration between students, and they showed adaptability among students. And based on this research, I also second Mrs. Noor, I guess Mrs. Dareen, who mentioned that digital literacy and AI literacy is very important to be embedded at schools as an aside course given to the students, so that they will learn how to use artificial intelligence in a way that won't replace us as a human being, how to refer to artificial intelligence. And as you mentioned, Mr. Hatim, that those professional development courses should be for the staff, for the teachers before the students also, to know how to use it in a beneficial way and not to dehumanize or replace them as educators. Regarding your question about the role of or leadership perspective on artificial intelligence, I can say that as leaders, first of all, we have before launching any AI application like mood tracking or any AI application related to emotional intelligence, schools should have a clear notice about this application. They should guarantee that transparency, the fairness, the privacy principles of any application before allowing the staff to use it. That's first. Second, digital emotional intelligence courses are very important to know how can we relate artificial intelligence with emotional intelligence. In addition to that, I can say that whatever is the artificial intelligence application embedded, the enforce should be on the social emotional learning as a first step.
I do agree 100%. Thank you for your insights.